Good morning, dear students. I'm Kuheli Bose with you. Today we are going to discuss about the Mughal Empire. The sources to reconstruct the age of Mughals. Aini Akbari, Taj Mahal, Jama Masjid and Red Fort. We will discuss about Babur and Humayun. The sources to reconstruct the age of the Mughals. Abul Fazl's Aini Akbari, one of the great literary source. Abul Fazl was a great scholar as well as the leading historian of the Mughal age. He is best known for his historical works Aini Akbari and the Akbarnama. The Akbarnama deals with the royal household, and Aini Akbari is concerned with the military and civil services in the time period of Mughal. Archaeological sources. The archaeological sources fall into the many categories such as monuments, coins, paintings and inscription. In this video we will discuss about Red Fort, we will discuss about Jama Masjid and Taj Mahal. Red Fort, it was constructed by Shah Jahan during the period of 1639 to 1648. The Jama Masjid. This masjid was built by Shah Jahan during the period of 1650 to 1656. Taj Mahal. The most outstanding monument built by Shah Jahan is Taj Mahal at Agra on the banks of the river Yamuna. This grand monument was built in the memory of his beloved queen Mumtaz Mahal. The Taj Mahal is rightly regarded as one of the wonders of the world for its majesty and splendor. Babur, the great grandson of Tamerlane and Chengiz Khan, was the first Mughal emperor in India. Babur confronted and defeated the last Lodi ruler Ibrahim Lodi in 1526 at the first battle of Panipat, and so came to establish the Mughal Empire in India. Babur ruled until 1530 and was succeeded by his son Humayun. Humayun ascended the throne in 1530. Humayun was defeated by Sher Shah Suri at Chausa in 1539. Another defeat at Kannauj in 1540. After this time period, Humayun was wandered from one place to another place. Ruler of Iran provided Humayun with a place to stay, and this 1540 to 1555 Delhi captured by Sher Shah Suri. In 1555 Humayun was able to recover Delhi after the death of Sher Shah Suri. So students, in this video we discuss about sources to reconstruct the age of the Mughals, Abul Fazl's Aini Akbari and Akbarnama, Babur, the establisher of the Mughal dynasty, and about Humayun. Next class, we will continue with the administration of Akbar. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.